We have the classic solution problem here, and the way we're going to solve it, we're going to do percent times amount of the first solution plus percent times amount of the next solution, and that's going to give us the final percent times the total amount. Okay, this problem says how many gallons of pure antifreeze must be added to 12 gallons of a 30% solution to obtain 70% solution. So let's go ahead, let's take this formula. I'm going to copy it, let's put it right here, and let's go ahead and fill it in. I'll make it bigger. All right, so what is our first percentage? Well, it's right here, 100% of antifreeze. So we will say 100%. And what is our amount? Does it tell us how much antifreeze? No. It says how many gallons of antifreeze must be added. We don't know that, and since we don't know it, we're going to call it X. All right, plus 12 gallons of 30%, so 12 and 30. Okay, 12 gallons, that's the amount, so 12 goes here, and then 30%, so 30 goes here. And it's going to equal, you want to obtain a solution of 70%. So that is our final percentage, 70. And that goes here. And now you have to kind of be a little intuitive about the total amount. If I have X gallons here, and I'm adding 12 gallons here, then the total amount is going to be X plus 12. So that goes here for total amount. Okay, you add those two together. So X plus 12. Okay, and let's show it all as one equation with the multiplication. We have 100 times X is 100, oops, purple, 100X plus 30 times 12. Okay, grab your calculator for that. That is 360. And then we have 70 times X plus 12. Okay, we will need to distribute that. So I'm going to write it down here, 70 times X plus 12, and we can distribute in the next step. So now we have an equation. We can follow our 4 steps to solve an equation. Step 1, distribute. 70 times X is 70X. 70 times 12, get my calculator. 70 times 12 is 840. And on the left side we have 100X plus 360. Okay, so a reminder, right now we're just solving this equation. It's as if we just, we totally erase everything else. The only thing we really have to look at right now is this. Okay, now I need my variables on the same side, so I will move the smallest variable, the minus 70x, minus 70x on the left, minus 70x on the right, both sides of the equal sign. So now I have 30x plus 360 equals 840. All right, move that up a little bit, give me some more space. Let's get this grumpy old X all by himself. We need to subtract 360 from both sides. That's not a good color. Let's go with pink. Subtract 360. All right, so 30x on the left equals 840 minus 360, 480. And one more step to get this grumpy old X all by herself, and that is to divide the 30. Divide both sides by 30. 30 over 30 is 1. So X equals 480 divided by 30, which is 16. Okay, that is a nice number. I'm going to guess that that is right, but we also need to go back and make sure that we're reading the problem and that we have the right answer. So it's asking me how many gallons of antifreeze. And we said that that is X. That's the amount that we don't know. X is 16. That is our answer. Now watch out, because sometimes they might say, how many gallons would you have as your final solution? And that would be whatever the first amount is plus 12. So you'd have to do the 16 plus the 12 and get your answer there. But all they're looking for is this, and I found it right here, and smiley face.